Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Chatgpt for coding. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, Chatgpt can be a great tool to help you generate code snippets and explore new programming concepts. So let's dive in and see how you can use Chatgpt for coding. Here are the steps to get you started. Step 1. Open Chatgpt. First, you will need to open the ChatGPT interface. You can do this by going to the OpenAI official website, which is openai.com, and selecting the chat with an AI from the top menu. Or you click on the button Try ChatGPT. You can do this by going to the OpenAI website and selecting the Try ChatGPT button on the corner. Once you are there, you can choose the coding option to start coding with ChatGPT. Step 2. Define your problem. Before you start coding, it's important to clearly define the problem you are trying to solve. For example, if you are trying to build a simple chatbot, you might define your problem as create a chatbot that can answer basic questions about a given topic. Step 3. Ask for help. Once you have finished your problem and finished defining your problem, you can start asking ChatGPT for help. You can ask questions like, how do I create a chatbot? Or what are the best programming languages for building a chatbot? ChatGPT will generate responses based on your inputs and can help you find useful resources and code snippets. Step 4. Experiment with code snippets. ChatGPT can also generate code snippets based on your inputs. You can ask for specific code examples, such as, can you generate an example of a chatbot in Python? ChatGPT will then generate code that you can use as a starting point for your own project. Step 5. Refine your code. As you experiment with code snippets and build your own code, ChatGPT can help you refine your code and troubleshoot any issues you encounter. You can ask questions like, why isn't my chatbot responding? Or how can I improve the performance of my code? And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for coding. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for exploring new programming concepts and generating code snippets. See you soon in the next tutorials.